Vidura College, Grade 3, Buddhism, learns the royal arts and skills. Hello my dear children, let's see what we are going to learn today. Today we are going to learn about Chapter 2, Learns the Royal Arts and Skills. Under that, we will discuss when Prince Siddhartha started his education, Prince Siddhartha's teacher, subjects that he learned, qualities and skills of Prince Siddhartha. Children, do you know who was the father of Prince Siddhartha? Yes, very good. Prince Siddhartha's father was King Suddhodana and mother was Queen Mahamaya. On the seventh day after the birth of Prince, Queen Mahamaya died and Prince looked after Queen Prajapati Gautami. He grew up as a happy child. So now we'll discuss about his education, learns the royal arts and skills. King Suddhodana wanted to teach all the things necessary to be a warrior king to Prince Siddhartha. So Prince Siddhartha was about 8 years old when the king decided to get a teacher to teach Prince Siddhartha. King Suddhodana wants to send his child to famous, respectable teacher. So he selected Brahmin Sarvamitra. He also known as Vishwamitra. He was skilled in science of Vedas, military arts and all the branches of learning necessary to educate the royal prince. The Brahmin Sarvamitra happily accepted the task given to him. Prince Siddhartha learned many subjects. Let's see what are the subjects he learned. He learned reading, writing, laws necessary to govern a country. One day he became a king. So Prince Siddhartha wants to learn all the rules and laws to govern a country. Science of Vedas. That means religious texts which in Hinduism. Swordsmanship, that means skills of fighting with swords. Archery, archery means skills of shooting arrows. You can see in this picture how he practiced archery. Wrestling, riding horses. He learned art of riding horses and control them. You can see from the picture how skillful he riding and controlling horses. Prince learned all science of Vedas, military arts was necessary for a warrior king. Brahmin Sarvamitra taught everything what he knew and Prince learned everything what he taught. Very soon the prince masters all the arts and sciences of the Brahmin knew. Okay children, we'll see what are the qualities and skills of Prince Siddhartha that help him to learn the subject soon. He was very clever. If teacher taught something, he learned it very quickly. He was very bright student, very intelligent. He was very obedient to his teacher. He never lazy. He learned good manners. He has a skill for archery, riding horses, sports fighting, games like wrestling, learn subjects like reading and writing. After completing teaching, the Brahmin went and informed the king about the success of Prince's education. He informed that Prince was intelligent and skillful in all activities. King Suddhodana was surprised to hear that his son was masters all the skills so soon. He was proud about his son. He gave gifts to the teacher. Okay children, as a student, what you can learn from this lesson? Yes, you have to learn well and skillful for all areas. Respected to the teacher, obedient, Learn everything through by teacher. You also can be an intelligent, skillful, good-mannered child. Okay, children, now take your writing books and answer the following questions. The question number 1. How old was Prince Siddhartha when he started his education? The question number 2. Who was entrusted with the education of the prince? Question number 3. What are the subjects that he learned? Question number 4. What helped him to learn the subject so soon? Let's check your answers. The first one. How old was Prince Siddhartha when he started his education? Prince Siddhartha was 8 years old. Second one. Who was entrusted with the education of the prince? The king was entrusted the Brahmin Sarvamitra. Third one. What are the subjects he learned? He learned languages, reading, writing, laws necessary to govern a country, swordsmanship, archery and wrestling. The fourth question, what helped him to learn the subject so soon? He was very clever and intelligent. So, my dear children, I hope you all understood the lesson. We'll meet another interesting Buddhism lesson. Until that, stay safe. Goodbye.